You work for a medium to large size company, maybe 50 or 100 employees or more, and your company is in the market for an enterprise AI solution. You've seen a lot about AI, you think it's probably time that you should start looking into it so you don't miss the boat, but it's kind of confusing. Where do you start? So where does your data reside? How do you protect all that data so that you don't have breaches of security information? Your PII gets out there on the internet, and next thing you know, AI knows all about your company and all your employees. How do you deploy it? Where do you start? How do your employees start using it? Well, in this video, I want to give you 5 baby steps to getting started with enterprise AI. My name is Mike Smith. I'm the president of Aerocom. Let's put our heads together on this. First, however, if you'd like my recommendations on the best enterprise AI solutions that your medium to large size company should be quoting, if you're a medium to large size company, reach out and contact me. Send me an email, give me a call. Don't try to figure this out on Google. It's way too hard. There's way too many vendors out there. You know, AI is huge, so a lot of vendors are throwing their hat in the market, and you want to know which ones you should quote. Should you just go by ChatGPT-4 or maybe Llama? Like, what should you do? Well, reach out and contact me. Join the thousands of other IT professionals who have used me to help them make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time for their company. And the nice thing is I don't charge you anything for my services, and I've been doing this for over 20 years, so I know the industry inside and out. I guarantee you it's worth a call. You have no excuse since I don't charge you anything. So send me an email, give me a call. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss the video that I'm going to put out next week too. And go check out our website, aerocominc.com, where you can search cloud phone system providers, SD-WAN providers, internet providers, enterprise AI providers. You can search them by feature, all kinds of cool stuff. Go check it out, aerocominc.com. Okay, well, first of all, I want to give you a round of applause. Good for you for looking into enterprise AI. It is the way of the future. Everything I see about AI, it's absolutely going to reinvent the way we work. It's going to be like when the internet first came out. That's how good it is, and that's how much change it's going to create. So good for you for being ahead of the curve and looking into this up front. But how do you get started? There's so much confusion out there, and it just seems so daunting. There's so many things to think about. Well, here are the 5 baby steps for getting an enterprise AI solution for your company and starting to get your feet wet with enterprise AI. Number 1 is purchasing a multi-model secure AI solution. So what do I mean by that? Let's break that down a little bit. First, multi-model. So there's all types of different LLMs out there. Watch my video on all the different LLMs and the good things that they can do, but each LLM has their own strength. So until 5 to 10 years from now, you're probably not even going to know the different things your company is going to be using AI for. So why corner yourself into one LLM? Get a multi-model solution so that your company has access to all the major LLMs and can use them for everything from coding to creative writing to marketing to sales analysis, all kinds of good stuff. And multi-model solutions are actually the most economical for medium to large size companies. If you have 50, 100 users or more, they're going to be using an enterprise AI solution. Multi-model access is definitely going to save you a lot of money. So that's number 1. Also, you want a solution that protects PII, all that private information. So you want a solution that automatically detects PII and either doesn't let an employee submit that into the AI platform, or it maybe blurs it out. Your multi-model should also have role-based access so that you can give different employees in the organization who have different roles different permission. Your AI solution should also be SOC 2 compliant, which means that they have to document and prove that they are secure. Your multi-model solution should also have single sign-on, so that it automatically is provisioned when you add new employees and is deprovisioned when you remove those employees, making your life a lot easier. You shouldn't have an enterprise AI solution that you have to program separately than everything else. Your multi-model AI solution should also have the ability to have logs of activity. So for security purposes, you're able to see all the different queries that were made by employees and have a log of it for your records. And lastly, your multi-model secure LLM enterprise AI solution should have it in writing that it will not learn from your company's data. For obvious reasons, you do not want the AI model to be learning off of information that employees are giving it. So that's all in number one, is purchasing the right solution. Now, once you've got the right solution purchased, number two in the baby steps is to just give it to your employees to use with the public internet. So it's secured, it's not learning from employee information, and just give it to your employees and start teaching them how to use the enterprise AI solution a little bit before you start thinking about connecting to your company's data. So before you connect to your company's own data, just let them use it off the internet and let them get used to using it, and then check in with them once in a while and see how they're using it. There's no way you can really know in advance how your employees are going to use AI in their particular role until you just let them start using it a while and start to notice how they're using it to improve their job. So that's step number two. Step number three is to connect your enterprise AI solution to your company's CRM. So after you've purchased the good solution, you've let your company's employees use it for a while, just using the public internet, then maybe 6 months down the road, 8 months down the road, you connect it to your company's CRM so you can take it to the next level a little bit and start adding customer information in there, maybe for your sales team, to be able to ask questions about, hey, who's our biggest customer? How much money do they spend with us? How often do we contact them? Can you give me a report on that? That type of thing. So CRM would be the next step. Step number four is, while your company's employees are connected to your CRM, start moving your company's data into a data lake. So basically like a SharePoint server, where this is where AI is going to be able to access all of your company's data. SharePoint's probably the most popular storage way to store your data for AI. So think about that. So start moving your data over there so that you have all of your data in one place that AI has access to, and do that while your company is getting used to using AI off the public internet and then your CRM, and you're organizing your data. And then baby step number five is the first step into your company's data. A good one is to maybe do your HR department. So like, for instance, make it to where your HR documentation is available for employees to query. So employees can say, hey, do we have Juneteenth off this year? Or what days do we have off for Christmas this year? Or what's our orthodontics covered in our dental insurance coverage? That's something I've been through a bunch of times with my kids. So stuff like that, where employees can start asking HR related questions to the AI model, and the AI LLM has access to all of your HR documentation. So employees aren't having to ping the HR department and ask them all these questions that they do all the time, or they're not having to try to look into these documents by themselves for hours at a time on company time to try to figure out if they have a certain day off, or something's included in the medical insurance, things like that. So they don't have to use company time to do that, or company resources. They can just ask the AI model. So that would be baby step number five. And then after that, you can start getting more complicated. But I think after those first 5 steps, your company is going to be pretty far down the road, and you're going to know a lot more information that's going to help you know what step 6 is going to be. So I hope that was helpful. Just 5 quick baby steps to get started with an enterprise AI solution for your large or medium-sized company. But again, if you'd like my recommendation on the best multi-model secure enterprise AI solutions that your company should be looking into or quoting, reach out and contact me. If your company is a medium to large size company, that's my specialty. So send me an email, give me a call. I've been a broker for all the major vendors out there for communications technology, for AI technology for over 20 years. So I know the industry inside and out. I know which vendors you should be quoting and which ones you should avoid, all that good stuff. Join the thousands of other customers who have used me to help them make a lot better decision in a fraction of the time. And what I'll do is, once you contact me, I'll ask you a few questions to qualify what your requirements are. And then after that, I'll introduce you to the best AI solutions. I'll introduce you to the best salespeople to work with at those solutions. I'll oversee the demo of their solution for you. I'll also oversee the quoting process to make sure your company gets the best pricing on the solutions of your choice. And the nice thing is, on top of all that, I don't charge your company anything to use me. My services don't cost your company anything. Why? Because the service providers pay me my broker fee. So there's no excuse not to at least reach out and see what I have to say. It's the reason why I do these videos. So if you got something from this video, it's a nice way to say thank you. If you're a medium to large size company, just shoot me an email, give me a call, ask me for some help. All right, that's that. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss my video I'm going to put out next week and every week after that. And go check out our website, aerocomminc.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.